Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to fix no sound on Clash Royale iPhone. So if you are not being able to get the sound on Clash Royale iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to know is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of device or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to log into your account. So make sure to connect it. So after connecting it to Wi-Fi or data, open Play Store or App Store on your device, and from there click on the option of search and search Clash Royale. So after searching Clash Royale, make sure that your app is up to date and there is no option of update available. So if there is an option of update available, you just need to update the app and make sure that it is available to the latest version. So without updating the app, you won't be able to get the sound on your device. So after that, you just need to open Clash Royale on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So after going on the Clash Royale app, you just need to click on the option of three lines at the very top right and click on the option of settings. So under settings, you'll see the option of audio, language, name, more settings and all of it. So click on the option of audio, and here you'll see the option of music, SFX, and music volume and SFX volume. So make sure that you have turned on music and SFX. So if you have not turned on, you just need to turn on like this and you will be able to get the sound on Clash Royale. So if you are still not getting the sound, you just need to delete the app and reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store, which will help you to fix the issue occurring on. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.